Hi, I'm Jeff Luty, the window expert, and welcome to the 2026 buying guide for windows. Now, this is one in a four-part where I'm talking about different types of windows you can buy for 2026 and explaining some of the differences. In this video, talk about high-performance aluminum windows. You say, Jeff, aluminum? I thought aluminum was what people are replacing. Well, you'd be right. But sometimes people are replacing old junk aluminum with what I call aluminum 2.0. Aluminum 2.0 is the new version of aluminum, which is really killer and it's really good stuff. And for example, today I've got a sample for you here of a product made by Western. Western Window Systems is based out of Phoenix, Arizona. If you want to learn more about their products in detail, check out this video where I go into great depth about their product line, explain to you why I love it so much. And if you live in a really, really cold climate, if you're up north, if you're in Minnesota, if you're in Wisconsin, if you're in Michigan, I'm from Michigan, you're probably not going to want a product like this because it's not going to do real well in cold climates. But if you live in a warmer climate, a mild, medium climate, this is great stuff, and people buy it because aluminum is so strong. I mean, you got to give aluminum credit for that. It's stronger than vinyl by far, right? But you can get really, really big sizes. Check out the big sizes that we can make. You can get some really big stuff with really narrow profiles. Look how narrow that profile is. See how cool that looks? That means you get a lot of glass, very little frame. And so if you're looking for more of a transitional or a more contemporary style, or even if you're looking for a spaceship type home, a window like this is something you're going to want to consider. Now, you say, Jeff, tell me more about this window. Well, a window like this is going to be powder coated, or it's going to be what we call anodized aluminum. This particular brand uses anodization, which is an electrical process to get the actual dye into the metal during its fabrication. So it's very durable, it's very scratch resistant, not scratch proof, but scratch resistant. So if you got one of those dogs that likes to scratch at the door, this is going to hold up really well. And then it's also going to be more energy efficient than you've ever seen an aluminum window be before. Say, Jeff, how do they do that? Well, I devoted a lot of time explaining it in some other videos, but I'm going to go into it real quick here. If you notice, we have an outside piece of aluminum, then we have our glass, and then we have an inside piece of aluminum. And those two pieces of aluminum are separated by this. This is called a thermal break. In other words, this thermally breaks the transfer of heat from one direction to the other because this is very, very low conduction. I wouldn't call it non-conductive, but it's very low conduction. So think about this. The heat on the outside of the window wants to make its way through this aluminum into the inside of your house, and this says, ain't gonna do it. You gotta stop right there. Wouldn't be prudent, go back out. And so that helps you have a more comfortable interior, whether it be warm climate or cold climate, than you would get normally out of the old style aluminum in this new aluminum 2.0, as I call it. And so this is stuff now that people are actually putting into homes where they are seeking energy efficiency. You can actually get some really good energy efficiency numbers with this. And if you live in a coastal area where you need impact rated stuff, where the insurance company and the government requires you to have a really strong product in order for it to pass their testing, they make a product in this line that will actually do that as well. And so there's very few opportunities where you can't use a product like this. And like I said, unless you're in a really, really cold climate, this is really a great product for you to own. How does it compare to vinyl? How does it compare to wood? How does it compare to composites? Good question. I outlined that in the other videos. Check it out below. Hey, if you're looking for a great window company, someone that sells this or other products like this, check out this list I started called jeffslist.com. I have a list there of great window companies all over the country that do the kind of work we do here at the Window Experts. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you again real soon.